Welcome to Best Choice. The best mechanical keyboards are probably one of the most satisfying and versatile tools you can add to your setup, offering a tactile experience that goes far beyond the mushy feel of standard membrane keyboards, transforming everyday typing and gaming into an engaging and precise activity that can boost both productivity and enjoyment. Number 5. Hasbro Gaming Jenga Original Woodblock Game. Dare to risk it? Pull out a block, place it on top, but don't let the tower fall. This classic balancing game has been loved for generations. With simple setup and easy-to-learn rules, it offers just the right amount of challenge. It's perfect for impromptu fun with family and friends. Liven up any party with this portable game. It's great for family game nights, icebreakers, and kids' birthday parties, bringing suspense, surprises, and laughs. This game includes 54 precision-crafted wooden blocks. The easy-to-use stacking sleeve helps players build the tower perfectly every time. No friends around? No problem. You can even play solo. Practice your stacking skills and try not to let it come tumbling down. This classic game makes a great holiday or birthday gift. It's perfect for kids aged 6 and up, offering hours of entertainment. What we like. This is the original woodblock balancing game that has been loved for generations. It's incredibly easy to set up and learn, making it perfect for spontaneous fun with friends and family. If you're looking for a game that brings people together for laughs and suspense, this is the one. What people say. The book is a great resource for understanding the complexities of the clickety-clack. Navigating the clickety-clack provides practical strategies for dealing with the challenges. The detailed explanations and examples make it easy to grasp the concepts. Number 4. Coogam Wooden Blocks Puzzle. Crafted from natural basswood with a smooth finish, this toy uses harmless paint for safe and worry-free play. It's designed for little hands with safety as a top priority. With 40 colorful pieces, you can create countless shapes and figures. Mix and match the pieces to discover new creations every time you play. Its simple design and bright colors are perfect for igniting imagination. It offers a fun challenge that can be approached differently each time. This toy helps children focus their minds, boosting creativity, eye-hand coordination, and color and shape recognition. It's a great alternative to screen time. An engaging intelligence puzzle that captivates both young children and adults. It's a wonderful way to keep minds sharp and entertained. Looking for a special present? This educational toy makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. What we like. Crafted from natural basswood with a smooth, safe finish, this puzzle offers endless creative possibilities. It's a fantastic way to keep children engaged and develop their coordination and recognition skills, offering a screen-free alternative. If you want a toy that sparks imagination and provides a calming activity, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The product works well and is easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. The features are very useful and have made my life much easier. Number 3. Bissell Pet Stain Eraser PowerBrush 2837. Meet the ultimate solution for pet messes. This powerful tool is designed to tackle tough stains with ease. Its unique rotating brush lifts and removes embedded dirt and stains. Experience a deeper clean with minimal effort. Enjoy the freedom of cordless cleaning with a long-lasting lithium-ion battery. It offers up to 20 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. Powerful suction combined with the included oxy formula instantly removes tough pet messes and spills. Get ready for spotless results. The formula is ready to use right out of the bottle and can be stored directly in the machine. It's always prepared for your next cleaning need. Feel good knowing that every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation's mission to save homeless pets. What we like. This portable cleaner is designed for quick cleanups of tough pet messes with its rotating dirt lifter PowerBrush. The cordless design and included oxy formula mean you can tackle stains instantly, anywhere. If you're a pet owner dealing with frequent accidents, this offers grab-and-go convenience for immediate stain removal. What people say. The book is a great resource for understanding the mechanics of the train and how it operates. It provides clear explanations and diagrams that make complex concepts easy to grasp. The detailed descriptions of different train components and their functions are very informative. Number 2. Osmo Pizza Company. Interactive Math Game. Introducing Osmo Pizza Company, an interactive game that brings math and business skills to life for kids aged 5 to 12. It's a fun and award-winning way to learn. Watch as their creations come alive on screen. They'll interact with physical pieces and an iPad, making learning feel like magic. No Wi-Fi is needed for gameplay. In this game, they'll run a pizza business, taking orders, collecting payments, and learning about profit. It's a fantastic way to practice addition, subtraction, and fractions. They'll develop essential skills like mental math, business management, and critical thinking. It's designed to foster creativity and problem-solving in a stress-free environment. This game adapts to their learning level, from beginner to expert. With real-time feedback, they can experiment and learn at their own pace. The box includes the Osmo base and reflector for iPad, pizza pieces, toppings, money tiles, and the Pizza Company game app. Please note, an iPad is required but not included. What we like. This interactive game brings learning to life by having children create and manage their own pizza business. It teaches valuable skills like making change, understanding profit, and mental math through engaging gameplay. If you want to teach your child practical math and business concepts in a fun, hands-on way, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The book is a comprehensive guide to understanding and managing the sounds of a busy household. It offers practical strategies for creating a more peaceful and organized living environment. The author provides clear explanations and actionable tips that are easy to implement. Number 1. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. It's an award-winning learning system designed for young minds. Watch as your child's physical game pieces come to life on the Fire Tablet. It's interactive learning without needing Wi-Fi. This kit includes 6 educational games that teach essential skills like pre-reading, letter formation, and early math concepts. Children will develop creativity, problem-solving, and fine motor skills while exploring phonics, shapes, and storytelling. It's perfectly geared for children aged 3 to 5, providing a stress-free environment for learning and experimentation. The kit comes with an Osmo base, reflector, costume pieces, sticks and rings for forming letters and numbers, and access to 4 engaging apps. What we like. Designed for the youngest learners, this kit offers 6 engaging games focused on early literacy and math. Children interact with physical pieces and a tablet to learn letters, shapes, and counting in a playful environment. If you have a preschooler aged 3 to 5 looking for a fun and interactive way to build foundational skills, this is an ideal starting point. What people say. The app is very intuitive and easy to navigate. I love the customizable dashboard that allows me to see the information most important to me at a glance. The reporting feature is excellent, providing detailed insights into my data. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.